look. Fall.
Fall.
Oh. All right, Amelia. You have 5 seconds to find a stress ball that I tell you to find, okay? You have 5 seconds. Find a unicorn stress ball. 5, 4, 3. Oh, she got it. Oh, there's a leaf. Find the ice creams. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you found one, so I'll give you like half a point. The other one was right here. Find a color changing needle. 5, 4, 3. Oh, good job. Find an Orbeez stress ball. 5. Oh, crap. Oh, gosh. You found a lot. Oh. Find a Frappuccino. 5, 4.
Frappuccino.
Find a mushroom needle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.